I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing security settings on Toptal can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the platform. Here is a simple guide to help you navigate through it. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Toptal account using your credentials. This will give you access to your dashboard where you can manage your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for your profile icon in the top right corner. Click on it and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, find the Security tab. This section contains all the options related to your account's security features. Step 4. Adjust your security preferences. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker that update your password if needed. Step 5. Save changes. After making your desired changes, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom of the page. If you miss this step, your changes won't take effect. I hope this guide helps you feel more secure on Toptal. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.